I want to talk to you guys about OooWEE. OooWEE. Can we get an all together on the count of three? OooWEE. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of a fun name, isn't it? So it was very important to me that if we get into the canned energy sector, that we just don't have an energy drink, because I didn't want to have an energy drink. I don't think energy drinks are healthy. I think they're cliche. I don't think they're novel. I don't think they're unique. I think it's very me too to just have an energy drink, right? So I wanted to create a functional canned beverage, right? And so that's why you see our slogan, Herbal Canned Energy. So it's a multifunctional canned beverage. Yes. Does it compete in that sector? Absolutely. Yes. Is it a solution to people that love energy drinks? Absolutely. And we're going to crush it. But I want to talk to you guys about the process that we go through from start to finish for OooWEE. And you know, before we even begin on the manufacturing and the filling and the packaging, you already know our claim to fame is premium grade ingredients, premium grade raws, a commitment to quality. And we already know that quality over quantity is king. And we know that quality matters. That's why you can buy a Louis Vuitton purse or you could buy a purse at Walmart and it's not the same quality. And we know with our products why people feel our products is because it's quality first. It's engineered proprietarily by us, which is also knowledge base. Our formulas are ours, our technologies are ours, and when you tie that all together, you get Thrive. But let's walk through the actual manufacturing element so you can get a deeper understanding, a better understanding of what we do. So before we do anything, we're obviously going to start with our raw slim can. We source our own aluminum cans, and I've got a picture to kind of show you where that starts. So we start with just plain aluminum cans that we mold into our slim can body. The interesting thing about our products, among a lot of other interesting things about our products, is we now manufacture around 90% of all products in-house. So about 2 years ago, myself and the team, we all wanted to bring in our manufacturing. Like we'd have better control of the quality. We'd have better control of the turnaround. We'd have better control of everything. If we can bring it in-house, we own it. So I bought a packaging facility outside of Le-Vel. It's another business I own, and I bought a manufacturing facility. And since then, we've been bringing in all of our production in-house, and we're right at about 90% of everything is sourced and done in-house, which is not easy to do. Very, very, very few companies in the industry, one, have their own software, and then to take it to another level, very, very, very few companies do their own manufacturing in-house. And voila, OooWEE is ready to be shipped and sold worldwide. OooWEE. I think this is a really fun addition to the Thrive Plus line. Would you guys agree?